Okay, you're seeing my Darwin Mini, and this is a classic symptom of the Servo Pinion issue I'm talking about in my blog. As you can see, the left shoulder of the Darwin Mini is getting a blinking red light. That was caused by the fact that the pinion was binding during the dance move that just happened off camera. As you can see, the arm itself has gone to a more vertical, straight up and down position, and even though the power should be on to it, it's not. Like I said, this is kind of a classic symptom of what happens. The servo starts to bind, which then causes it to trip its limits. So this servo, it still works. The servo right here, it still sort of works, but because the plastic servo pinion is stripping and getting deformed, it's causing binding issues, which leads to symptoms like this. Eventually, the symptoms will get worse and worse, and you'll get something like this. Now, this is my other Darwin Mini. It has a servo binding pinion issue too, and you can see that. Oops, sorry, wrong hand. When you go to, this is not under power, you go to move it, now you can hear this is the servo pinion having issues. So you try to turn it on power and you get this to happen. That is a servo pinion that's totally gone out. Yeah, and also the robot kind of whines sometimes too. I don't know if that's a symptom of the binding issue with the servos or not, but I don't know if you can barely hear it. But this is what I'm talking about with a servo pinion binding issue. Like I said, that's the first symptom. The servo stops to move, causes issues, causes the robot to fall down, causes stuff not to work. You start getting red lights like that as it heats up, gets issues, and then it leads to this. Did it again. Leads to this problem.